Hi, and welcome back to Miss Kate Cuttable's 1 Minute Make. I still have a cold, so I am still talking funny, so just ignore that. Today we are putting together a winter branch with ornaments hanging from it. Now this one goes along with the pine branch that I'm putting up there, the pine cone, the bow, and the wreath. Now none of these have shadows in the files with them. I just put them there to show up, but you can put those in there in whatever program you use. It's not that hard. Anyway, so I thought that they were all cute together. So if you haven't gotten those, then pick those up at MissKateCuttables.com. Okay, so the size was about 5.5 to 5 inches wide, I think. So it wasn't too big, but the little tiny star pieces definitely would not cut out smaller than that, which is fine. You don't have to use them. There's also a bigger size if you want to use that, or you can just cut those pieces out bigger. It is up to you. So the little part of where the ornament is hanging from, I made it so it looks like it's hanging over the branch, although it's not. So you don't have to slide it over or anything. You can place them wherever you want. And the little snow pieces are there if you want to use them. I know not all of you live in climates with snow, but they are there if you want them. And I also wanted to mention over on the website, we are doing our Black Friday Cyber Monday sale that's still going on. And we are doing a little scavenger hunt where you can look for freebies in the Christmas section. And I have been changing those like off and on throughout the day. So keep checking back and you can get more free ones if you come back a little bit later, or the ones that are there I'm taking off. So make sure you come back and check those out so you don't miss out on any freebies. So anyway, let me know what you guys think about this SVG. Comment down below, hit the like button, and I will see you on the next 1 Minute Make. Thanks for watching.